Hello everybody, I am Tate Timmermans over here at Vern Eide Ford, and I will be showing you how to take the top off of a Bronco. You do want to start on the front and we will work our way back as we go. We are going to start with the driver's side piece here, and there are 4 latches for this piece. You want to do that first latch first, and then these all just turn. It does make a really good seal because this is obviously waterproof. So with all 4 of those, it literally just lifts off like that. Super easy. These top pieces are pretty lightweight, so they just lift right off. Very easy to take off. Now we are on the passenger side of the vehicle, and it's the exact same as the driver's side, just 4 latches. And just like that, it lifts off. Now I am in the back seat of the Bronco, and it's just one big piece over the back seat. And this one has 5 latches. So I'll start over here. 1 latch there. Here. And there's 1 behind my head here in the middle. And just like that, the second row lifts up like that. You can do it with 1 person, but I have a helper here that's gonna assist me in taking the roof off. And then to lift the second piece off, you actually want to have the doors closed so it's easier to lift it over the back of the vehicle here. So we're going to lift up, and we're just going to walk it to the back. And now we have it off. For the way back piece, that's when we have to get our tools out, provided with every Bronco. There are 12 bolts that need to come off to remove the back piece, and you're gonna want this bit right here on your ratchet to take those bolts out. We are starting on the top of the Bronco here. There are 2 of these bolts on each side, and you just get your bit in there, start cranking away. And once you have your bolts all the way loose, Ford did provide 2 nice little zipper pouches inside of the bag here for you to hold the bolts while the top is off. Now we have made it to the back of the Bronco, and the first step is to undo the electrical. Ford made it super easy. There's just 2 little wiring harnesses you need to unclip here. On this first one, you just push down on that and it unclips. And then this one here, there's a little lever there, and you just pull that apart like that. And Ford did make very convenient holders for both of these. You just clip them on here, and now you have perfect storage for them. Inside the cargo area here, there is a total of 8 bolts you have to take out. First one's here, and then there's 1 more here, 1 more here, and right there, so it's 4 on each side. All right, now that all 12 bolts are removed out of the back here, I'm going to close this back door. This makes it easier to lift the piece off. Then me and my friend Austin here, we just lift up. And just like that, the Bronco is topless. And now the entire personality of your Bronco has completely changed. It's gonna be super fun driving down the road, sun in your eyes, wind in your hair. It's gonna be the elite Bronco experience.